Ayan. Thank you very much. Another special dance. Bear. He is the president in Rizal Association in Metro Manila and pertaining to Mr. Roque Mexica, and he will be paired to Mrs. Rhea Calisa. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Roque Mexica, it's your time to dance, and you will be paired to Mrs. Rhea Calisa. Ani, Sir Roque, and there we go. We have, once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's get it up. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our next pair to dance a Kuratsa number is the President in Rizal Association in Metro Manila, Mr. Roque Mexica, and he will